Look, I know if somebody ever got a gun to you and they robbing you supposed to give it up, right? A lot of people believe that and shit. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't giving shit up. That man shot that gun. How the fuck you gonna be in here robbing somebody and you flinch and shooting your gun? It's your gun, right? You look something, man. I would have told that little boy, get the fuck on my face. You ain't robbing shit today, man. Go on, bro. Go on about your business. Go find you something to do. I know, man, I don't know if it's the music, I don't know who he hanging with or something. He ain't want to do that or something. Nigga try to get in the game. Pray for that man, because that was just crazy. Y'all go watch the full video if y'all want to see it.